Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Tuesday, July 25. Time is around 12 GMT, and we will have a look at the NASDAQ futures on the Ovanda platform. So we are looking at the 4-hour chart here. My take on the NASDAQ is that we finished an upward structure here as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we have divergence here in the fifth wave. Another scenario would be that this is still our wave 4, and that we need a wave 5 to the upside now in 5 waves. But yeah, I doubt about this scenario. I think it's over here, especially if I look at the lower time frame, the 1 hour and the 15-minute. It looks like this is another cycle, is a different cycle than the upward cycle we had here. So for now, I believe this best fits the data we have. So I also make it my primary scenario. And then if I do the alignment with my higher time frame analysis, it could actually mean that the upward structure we finished here is yeah, also the end of this wave 5, and could even be the end of this wave 3 in a higher degree. Therefore, I closely monitor here the daily. If we would break this one here to the downside, then this would be for me confirmation that the wave 3 is in here. So we have to wait for a bit more data. But yeah, so for now, I would say this is the best count I can make out of the data. So wave 5 finished here, which could mean the end of this wave 5, which could mean the end of this wave 3. And if this is the case, then yeah, then we are actually ready for more downside. Yeah, I'm very aware that what I'm saying now is kind of risky because, of course, until now it's clear that the Nasdaq is bullish. We're making higher highs, higher lows, and there is no evidence at all yet that we are bearish. So yeah, we need more data to have confirmation, but this is how my count looks. And if I'm right about this high, could be that we see a bit more upside, but for now I think this was the high. And if I'm right about this high here, then we will see more downside. And yeah, the target for our wave 4 now is actually quite big. We need more data to be more specific, but so if this is our wave 3 and this was our wave 2, so this is the beginning of our wave 3, then we know that a wave 4 can go into this area here between the 0.146 FIB retracement and the 0.618 FIB retracement. So here the upper boundary would actually be like a shallow retracement, as a wave 4 can be, but it can also be that we make a deeper retracement, of course, towards the 0.5 and even the 0.618 level. We have to see. We have to wait for more data. But okay, I'm just showing this, so yeah, you are aware of the situation of what could play out. Now let's have a look at the 1 hour time frame. So yeah, until here everything goes well. I think this is an ABC here, corrective move in 3 waves, 1, 2, 3, like this. But then, yeah, for interpretation, the trouble starts here. Of course, this is yeah, really difficult data to interpret. You cannot really see something here. So, like, if we have a closer look at the 15 minutes. So yesterday I first thought, so this was our W. This was our wave X, and then we would start like a second wave A to the downside. You see, I started labeling here 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we needed a fifth leg, but this did not happen. Instead, we went a bit up. So, yeah, this is not correct anymore. So, yeah, then what could be is that for instance, this wave X is now ongoing. So wave X should also be a corrective structure. And then what we could have is something like this, an ABC, like expanded flat pattern A, B, C, something like this. So with an overshooting wave B, and then it will mean that we now need to see 5 waves up from here as a wave C. Then it would mean so something like this. And then we have 1, 2, and then or 3 is ongoing. Yeah, hard to say. Like it can even be that we have yeah, still 5 waves. I had this scenario on Friday, I believe, like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that we have 5 waves down, then up again, then down again. Yeah, difficult. I'm gonna be honest, difficult to interpret this. Like this is a mess. I cannot really do something with this. So yeah, I think the safest way is just to wait till we have clarity, till we have some clear structure that we can work with. And then going short, going long doesn't matter as long as the structure is clear. If we can read it, we can then trade it. But now I cannot read this. Like, yeah, if something could play out today, I would maybe go for this one. Like 5 waves up from here as a wave C, and if this is ending with divergence 5 waves, I think you could initiate a short from here. I will not go short here or against this high. Like actually, this high does not mean anything. The like the true invalidation level is actually here. Like if we take out this high, it means this setup is violated. So this is here your invalidation level. So yeah, if you want to go short, I would take it higher, somewhere here. And still, yeah, if if you take the short from somewhere here, then yeah, I think it's important to protect your position immediately, because we still do not have any evidence in the sense of lower highs, lower lows. Like the NASDAQ is still bearish, but bullish. I'm sorry, but I think we are at the turning point right now. We could be ready for a pullback. So yeah, short from here. Yeah, if you believe this was 5 waves down, then you can also go long against this low. But yeah, actually this low does also not mean much. No. Yeah, I would like to see more data. This is a mess here. What we did yesterday. So my best estimation would be something like this: ABC as wave X, and then yeah, short here from 5 waves up. You're kind of safe, because even if this is yeah, 5 waves down, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then taking the short here also aligns with 5 waves down from here, because then here we should have like A, B, C, and then go down again. Yeah, and yeah, it's hard to see only or then A, B, C. Yeah, I need more data. The best thing I can think about is today is a short from here. If we have a push up, if it ends with 5 waves ending with divergence, then I think this might be an interesting area for a short. This is the invalidation level, but like I'm saying, for now there is no evidence that the Nasdaq is bearish, so it could still be that we make this other high, and then of course you will be stopped out, because this is the invalidation level. Okay, so let's wait for a bit more data tomorrow. Also, Fed decision, I believe. Maybe it's again one of these moments that we are just waiting for the Fed, and then we decide where to go. So I will not be surprised that we also do today and tomorrow that we are actually doing nothing, that we are just bumping a bit around here till there is some trigger to move to the upside or to move to the downside. We will see. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.